Hello and welcome everyone to our Facebook page. Today here we are with a very unique video how to decorate fruits on your plates. So at first we are using some sweet lemons and some kiwis to decorate the plate. You can see how we have cutted the lemons and some kiwis. Now we will add some banana slices to it to decorate the middle part. And no, this is not completed yet. We will add cherries to it to make it look more beautiful. You can see we are adding more cherries to the outer part, and after decorating your plate is complete. Next again here we are using some cucumber and we are cutting it in different manner. You can see in this manner we can decorate it like a flower. After joining all the cucumber parts, we'll make it a flower. Now we will add a cherry in between and we'll take some more cucumber pieces to make the final look. You can see how beautiful it is looking. Next we will use some lemons. You can see how we are cutting it, and after cutting it we'll make it on the plate. Next again we are using some strawberries to decorate the plate. So after putting the strawberries on the plate, we'll add some cucumber to it. You can see how we are cutting it. After cutting this, we will give it a shape of a flower and we will keep it in the between. Now we will make the same flower we have made it before. We will decorate the outer part with the same shape. You can see how beautiful it is looking now. Now we will use some sweet lemons again and we will cut it into small and hard slices. You can see how thin it is. Now we will decorate this on the plate. You can see how beautifully we have placed it on the plate, and now after placing it we will use the other parts to make it look like a flower. Then again we will use the cucumber to make the decoration complete. You can see how we are cutting it, and now we will make the flower and we will decorate the whole plate with the cucumber. And of course we will use the cherries to give the red color texture to the plate. Next again we are using a dragon fruit. You can see how we have cutted it and placed it on the plate. Now after placing the dragon fruit, we will use some kiwi and we will make the inner part of the plate. And of course we will use the cherry to decorate the center. And now some different fruit, we will cut it in different shape to make the flower, and we will place it in the outer part of the plate. Here we will make some dragonfly with the cucumber. You can see how we are cutting the cucumber to make the dragonfly. So at first we are making the wings, and after making the wings we will attach it with each other, and after making the wings we will make the body of the dragonfly. You can see we are placing the wings. You can place it on the plate, and after placing it we will use the cucumber again and we will cut it in different shape now to make the body part of the dragonfly. You can see how we are cutting it, how patiently we are cutting it, and the body is ready. Next we will add the tail and the ears of the dragonfly. We will cut the cucumber in very small strips, and you can see we are using it to make the tail and the ears of the dragonfly. Your dragonfly is completed. Next here we will make some flowers with cherry, and it is looking very beautiful. Thank you very much for watching the video.